sunny. Alright, guess what? Time for barbecue, guys. Alright guys, let's go. I have here all these ingredients to make it delicious stuffing Vidalia onions. Alright guys, very good guys. Let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. Okay. Here I have 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of steak sauce. Alright guys, I have 5 garlic. Alright, 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alright guys, alright, now I have here 12 bacon. I already have only 2 here because I prepare here and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so I have some parsley just for decoration. And I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce guys. You guys can use any hot sauce, so I'm using my favorite. So I have here 1 teaspoon of oregano, alright guys. And also I have here 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I have half bunch of cilantro. I have 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. I have also 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 2 mustard, alright, 2 mustard, alright guys, to give that flavor. And I have 1 egg, alright, and I have here 1.5 pounds of chopped meat, and I have here 6 Vidalia onions. Alright guys, you guys can see here the Vidalia onions. Alright, see how nice it looks. I already did 5, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Alright, otherwise the video will be too long. Alright, so first let me take this out. Right, guys, do it like this. Oop. This you don't put in the garbage, you can save if you want, okay? Right. Alright, you guys can see that? Nice hole, alright? Nice hole. So now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna get the bacon. I put 2 bacon in each one. Alright, so you're gonna wrap.
I'll call you when I'm ready for you.
Good. Alright. So, the bacon. Alright. Very good. So start here. Looking good. Right. Very good guys. Now you're gonna take toothpick. Yeah. Another one here. Right here. Alright, one more. Right here. Very good. So it's all 6 there. It's looking good guys. Alright, now we're gonna start the preparation. Alright. First I'm gonna need my olive oil. My pot is preheat. A little bit more. Alright, very good. Okay guys, now I'm gonna need my garlic. Alright. Good. Alright guys, my garlic is gold. Okay guys, can see that? Gold. It's time to put my chop. Alright. Time for my chop meat. Right. Very good. Right guys. Now let's go saute this meat. Let's saute this meat. Alright. Very good. So now I'm gonna need this is teriyaki sauce. Alright, this is my steak sauce. Right. What else do I have here? My salt. What else I have here? I have my black pepper. Alright. Pepper. I have my hot sauce. Good. I have my ketchup. Very good. Alright guys, that's when the colors meet together, alright, and give that good flavor guys. Alright, let's go. Oregano. Right. Yes. Good. So I have here my cilantro, my mushroom. Very good. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys. And now I have here my Worcestershire sauce. Very good. And I have here my eggs. All right. Very good, guys. Bingo. All right. You guys can see that? Looking good. It's looking good, guys. So now let's stir, let cook. All right. Let cook. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. It's nice and dry. You guys can take a look. All right. All the water is being dry. All right. So that means it's ready for stuffing it. All right, guys. Ready for stuffing. So turn it up. Let's stuff it. Very good. All right. So looking good. It's looking good, guys. All right. Very good. It's looking good. I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry. Good. Right. Good. All right, that's enough. Very good. Guys can see that? How beautiful it looks. Alright, so now I have the cheese. This will be for later, alright, when it's almost ready. And I'm gonna sprinkle it. Alright, sprinkle with the cheese on the top. Alright guys, the baby's ready. Alright, you guys want to cook with me? Alright guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Let's go. Follow me guys. Alright guys, let's cook this baby. Alright, my barbecue is preheated. Alright. Here. Alright. Good. Hi guys, it's looking good. It's looking good guys, so I see you guys in a little bit, right? Hey guys, time to check, right? Oh, looking good, looking good, looking good guys. Let me move, I have to move this one this way. So for now, alright, time for the cheese. Alright, looking good, guys. Whoa, that smells so good. Alright. Very good. Alright guys, let's cook for 2 more minutes and we'll be ready, right? Hey guys, alright, time to check. Right? Whoa, we're looking good. It's looking good. The cheese is melting, alright? And it's looking good. And it smells good, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna leave here for 1 more minute, alright? And I'll see you very shortly. Hey guys! Alright, very good. Alright, very good, guys. Final product. Alright guys, final product. How beautiful it looks. Take a close look. Very good. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna try and I'm gonna let you know. Wow. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Alright. You guys can take a look here. Close it. You can take a look. Beautiful. Very good. Very good, guys. So now let me get this. Oh. Wow. Very good, guys. It's melting in my mouth. I have to take another bite. This is very good. Very good. Wow. Delicious. It is with the bacon. Hey guys, delicious. Delicious, delicious. Alright? Hey guys, you guys have good weekend, right? Love you all.